A press conference was organized on Friday at the Agartala Press Club under the initiative of Bru Committee. Bru Committee leader Lalding Liana Bru and others were present during the meeting. On this day, the main purpose of conducting a press meet was to show their gratitude and thanks to the central and state government and to Bubagra and many other important officials who helped and guided the Bru community for resettlement in many parts of the state.
Zotoni biskango kakchamo kausanim chumuke chengbosu nuka bosi kolpeba 25 sam sono borwa Mizoram chinge ching khai phaipuwa ching gothela yaunge Mizoram ching phaipaye Tripura sarkarwa ching boroni state o tongpaye chini khokchui mungmano naini pandawo keha phono naiya maika jokhon chungno naine pandawo ke isone hiawmo tui theri ye chunom thuye borwa BJP by IPF tini sarkarunge chinorono tongsitho inke abonoke central government chingchaye china Narendra Modi bini nangkhrumo ake union home minister Amit Shahji bunangkhrumo keboroni bochini biplobji ageni chini chief minister burau chino ongpurau monikie bro jatik buingbuino chono la sauye kebon logewo chini bubagra bungsau thaye chono khemo baikie brono khakchamo kaw saya pai ambo karona ke tawke jila wo chini tongmungchamo khamai boke khakchamo ni kaw sani phaise keboro chingte sani na yo keboro north district wo ake Dolai district wo Gomati district wo ake south district wo boro kebri wo Barokan 12 location chono ha tawke chino ya phaya ha brownie chiye noktan mani outside chono ha noktan mani 1.5 lakh chino ha mani khas assistant ha ake 4 lakh chini bank wo deposit ke ha ake ST PRTC ration card abdike Aadhaar card job card electoral roll ake gas connection free ration nuka bosinoini ake toini lamani horni anganwadi central health sub center ake school abdike ke chino fair price shop nizani chamung nopono chino ripai mo karone ke chung khakchangmoni kaw chung sani phise ke tina ang songya borai ne joto pal tongrao juda ni location se ke abdike ke aborim singo te ching sani nayo sasu chingthio to samai suk pai yang moma chingpho bro ni humanitarian ground modi ke tangchane blongphona nangmoba ke chino ha rianima ke chongphono chakri bokri ja sasu qualified onge BM ong thangke brono pala da ketho ake chingpho skill development juda skill development abro chini scheme duke chino kherito ke PTZ ni tauto PM janman riha abro po chino klaisiye no kama ke tangge tongbe nai ke chini dormo ni babewo Christian tongo tini sapta tongo ram tongo sip tongo brown extra alada kiye worship place kianman bawa alada kiye 1 hectare de 2 hectare de ke chino diversion kheri ke kabon loge wo mung kapaya ko paso chini thokya tongko abono chino ke ponchayat ni separate ponchayat ke tawo chino rimai ke are ye chingma saha ke kalavia school tawo ke hale dia ha arpotre chini asa ke tongo tawo Barokan chono rimai ke special project arme chung khakchang mo kausani naimonem singo bo kesamisa chaino po extension ke naimeni thu.
Reported by Amit from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.